the twin-engine machine out of Love's Park, the 70 Stiletto Dragster, Dominic Harris. Hothead Splashing Machine, Paris Collision Centers. No reverser as they push him back just like the good old days. Dominic Paris, the only twin-engine top fueler remaining in competition. Beatty carefully backing up the R&B Dragster out of hometown, Illinois. You hear the cackle of the nitromethane in the tank. True nostalgia at its finest. Sterling engine, hotheads, Research and Racing Incorporated, Paris Collision Center, Dominic Paris, out of Chi-Town, racing the Beatty and Lutz machine driven by Bob Beatty. Crew chief says it looks okay to me. Quick tire wipe as we move forward. Nostalgia top fuel, side by side. One of the last on the planet right here, ladies and gentlemen. It is a twin-engine Hemi, rear engine nostalgia fueler. Twin-engine machine, Bob Beatty all over the racetrack as we see flames and sparks in the lights at the top end. Oh, damn son of a bitch.
It's big, it's big.
Here we go again. A 722 with a 9 at 173, but some spectacular sparks and what looks like flames and engine damage. So hang on to your hats and stay in your spot. So we'll get the crew down there to check it out firsthand. That was pretty wild. Car looked like it was doing just fine. 722 with a 973 just fine. And the word is that they lost a tire. So those sparks were from the rim making contact with the pavement.